The ABCD rhyme song is for apple, red and so sweet. Apple, a wonderful treat. B is for ball, we bounce it up high. It goes right to the sky.
C is for cat, with soft furry paws.
Cat, it cleans up its claws.
D is for dog, a bark and a wag.
Dog running with a flag. E, F, G, H. E is for egg, we scramble it light. A round yummy sight. F is for fish that swims in the sea. Fish swimming happy and free.
G is for goat, chewing on grass.
G, goat, it watches us pass.
H is for house, where we live with our friends.
H, house where the fun never ends.
I, J, K, L.
I is for igloo, a cold icy dome. I, igloo, far away from home. J is for jump, so high in the air. Jump without a care.
K is for kite, we fly it way up.
Kite like a floating teacup. L is for lion with a big golden mane. Lion, ruler of the plain. N-O-P. M is for moon that shines in the night. Moon, a soft silvery light. N is for nest, where a bird keeps its eggs safe on little tree legs.
O is for octopus with 8 long arms.
Oh, octopus, safe from all harms.
P is for pig, rolling in the mud.
P, pig, a friendly little stud.
It's Q-R-S-T.
Q is for queen with a shiny gold crown. Queen, the best in the town. R is for rabbit that hops through the field. Rabbit, its little paws yield.
S is for sun that warms up the day.
Sun, chasing clouds away.
T is for tiger with stripes black and bright.
Tiger roaring with all of its might. Verse 7, U-V. Y is for yo-yo that spins up and down. Yo-yo, hey yo-yo, the silliest clown. Z is for zebra with stripes black and white. Zebra running with all of its might. Vorse, fake K and Z.
I is for yo-yo that spins up and down.
Yo-yo, yo-yo, the silliest clown. Z is for zebra with stripes black and bright.
Zebra
Running